welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. I am a little bit shaky. You are on the car mount, so I am driving to work right now. Today is a very big day. Very, very, very big day. I'm so excited. Like, oh, I can't believe I actually got this, and I'm just super excited for it. I am super excited for it. I know you guys will be excited for it. Yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. As soon as work is over, I'm gonna start working on the car, putting in these new mods. 2 new mods today. Gonna be very, very fun, very exciting. One is a little driver mod, one of them, and then the other one is one of the big boys. So if you haven't figured that out from last video, if you can't tell by the title already, we are slamming the BRZ, guys. We are slamming it. We are dropping it. It's a low car. We're making it already. It's already low, and we're just making it even lower. Man, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So as soon as work ends, we're gonna see how hard it is to install some coilovers. I got the BC Racing BR series for the BRZ. So yeah, we'll see how easy it is to knock it out, how hard it is, how fun it is. New experiences, learning something new. But yeah, so before the video gets started, leave a like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell anybody who's into cars. Come check out the video. Mom, I know you're watching, don't tell your friends. But yeah, I'll get back to you when we're at the shop. What's up, guys? So as you can see, I do have one coilover in. I did watch a video on how to install it, so I kind of did this one off camera just to see how it is. That way get the rhythm of it, get it down. That way I can go ahead and knock out all the other ones. The other ones I will record, gonna be a time lapse. So this one probably took me an hour to do, but I feel like all the other ones I can probably fly right through them. But no, I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's on the floor. So let's get to it. So with these front wheels, we're gonna have to go ahead and take out these little clips here, along with these over here. So these are 19s. These are just little clips that you pull out. This down here is a 12, and these up here are also 12s. And then for the end links, these are actually 17s. We'll go ahead and knock those out. And continue. Bottom end. It's super easy on the other side. I don't know why I want I already knocked these bolts loose. I don't know if you can see those. I already go ahead and knock these bolts loose. We're gonna take these clips out pretty much, and we'll go from there. And out comes the stock one. I'm gonna grab the BC So I do already have these kind of preset already, but this is kind of it's crazy. I don't know how low this is gonna end up being, but oh man, it's definitely exciting. So let's go ahead and get this one installed, get started on the rears. And as you can see, the coilover is now installed in the vehicle. Look at that. Oh, I want to see how low they are. All right, you guys, so I just got the tires back onto the car. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it, see how much lower it is. Whoa. Yo. Dude. Oh, dude. I think it looks nice. I don't know if it's much of a difference for you guys. I don't know. I don't know. To me, she definitely looks lower. Oh man. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, we got everything all tightened up here. This looks pretty. Same thing on this side. I'm a little out of breath because this is really hard to do by yourself. Really hard to do by yourself. All right, well, now that we just got finished with the front, we're gonna go ahead and do the rear. We'll see how hard that one is, but we got this. Okay, just for your information, I don't know what I'm doing, hence why my name is Don't Know a Thing. Hey, but we're learning along the way, all right? Okay, so with the rear coilovers, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much take out all of this stuff back here. That way we have easy access to it. So all of this styrofoam stuff is gonna come out, and there's also some clips that we're gonna have to take out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and we can get started on the rear. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did the driver's side rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the passenger rear. This is gonna be the last one. Then we'll go ahead and lower it. I just measured from the center of the hub to the floor. On this side, it's about 16.5 inches off the floor. And that side, it is about 18 3/8 off the floor. So that's almost a 2-inch drop. So we'll go ahead and knock this one out, and we'll get ready to go to that car meet. I just need to tighten everything back in. But this is a 2-man job. On the other side, somebody was already on their way out. Luckily, I knew who it was, and they helped me install that one. But with this one, pretty much on my own here at the shop. So I had to improvise. Jack. Yeah, it's a very difficult thing to do by yourself. I didn't know how I was going to do it, so I was like, why don't I just do this? So everything bolted in, see how everything looks, and get this baby lowered. Let's finish it.
really tell though, if I'm being honest.
But actually, no, it is. No. From here, it is definitely lower. Definitely.
It's definitely lower in the rear than it is the front. Rear, front. So front does look a little bit higher, but overall, she looks nice. She looks very, very nice. Okay, if I'm being 100% completely honest, I think that went really well. For my first time ever doing coilovers, I think it went really well. Overall, the look of the car definitely looks a lot better. Definitely. I know it is lowered for a fact because these lift points, they do look a lot closer. So I'm gonna get everything back up because let's see what's 7 o'clock. I don't think I'll do the alignment today. I know I should, but I don't think I will today just because shop is closing up soon. So I'll probably do the alignment on Monday. I just want to feel it out, see how it is. It doesn't look like there's any crazy camber on it, which is good. I didn't mess up there. Might be a little bit, okay, I do see a little bit of camber on here. Let's see, hold on, is it? Okay, so there's slight camber in the rear. What's up, you guys? Brian's back. Ow!
Okay, so we already went ahead and did. This is day 2, by the way. Yesterday I just kind of got them on, and it didn't drop that low because I just wanted to get them on first, and then since I was by myself, I was gonna wait until I had the homies with me. Went to the car meet. I forgot to record. That's because my phone died. But yeah, we went ahead and did the front already, and it's pretty low. Sebastian, say what's up.
What's up?
That's Sebastian. That's the homie. Front is pretty low. We're working on the rears right now. She's gonna look nice. And then I challenged Brian to a roll race on his WRX. I don't think I'm gonna win, but we'll see what we're up against.
Oh my God. Bro, this is low.
Brian.
Imagine trying to.
This is low. Hold on. I'm trying to do the like lean up against it. Nah, yeah, this is low.
So we still got like a quarter.